It's such an emotional day for me, guys. Yo, I if I cry on camera, don't think I set up the camera to cry, but it's such an emotional day for me. 6 October. Ngiyanamukela kwinkqubo yami bomntaba kadad, bomntaba kagogo, bomntaba ka-aunty, bomntaba kasisi. I am Sims, and it's at the right Sims on Instagram. So please follow your sister, guys. Today is my son's birthday. My son turns 16 today. He was born on the 6th of October 2009. It's emotional because he was born at only 28 weeks. He was supposed to be born in December, but he ended up being born in October. I was 17, giving birth to a premature baby. He was only 890 grams. Né? And the doctor said he's not going to make it to 6 months. When we made it to 6 months, the doctors were like, he's not going to make it to 1 year or 2 years. So every time we kept going to our hospital appointments, they just kept on not giving me hope, you understand? And I'm a baby, holding a baby. And these people are like, hey, don't love him too much. He won't be here next year. And today, we are preparing for his learner's license. You understand? He's in grade 10, healthy, amazing. So sorry, guys. Sorry. Whew. Motherhood. Sorry. Sorry. And yeah, so he's turning 16. Happy birthday, Amaru. I named you after Utupac Amaru Shakur because against all odds, my baby, you made it. And I know you're going to make something so beautiful out of yourself because I'll make sure I'll be behind you. I love you so, so much. You truly are my first love. And may you have, and I will make sure you have an amazing special day. Now back to regular programming. I also promote businesses and YouTube channels. If you want to promote your platform on my platforms, Ntware Kamukhala, I have got you covered. It is a Monday, and October keeps on showing us that it is July's stepbrother. The news, it's only the 6th, but the scatters is too much. It's insane. Summer Walker performed for only 30 minutes. Shamiso finally responded. Asavela and Buhle are still at it. Hmm? Rata, please see. But in that busyness, we've got the amazing Mami Oma, who is here to give you beauty tips, decor, lifestyle. Mamela, I love it when our moms make it onto YouTube because they show you what it is possible to start at any age and to just follow your passion and do what you love. Please go over there and support Sis Oma. She's waiting for you. No, she keeps calling me. Sims, Candy, when is my promotion? So go over there.
Hi, Banabesu. Banabesu means siblings. My siblings, I have a YouTube channel. Please support it. We are still very small. We have reached 500. Please support the channel. Our niche is about beauty, lifestyle. We are cooking, we are doing the decors, we do almost every beautiful thing. Please support the channel. This is Oma72. We are also on TikTok. On TikTok, we are Sis Oma725. Instagram, Sis Oma72. YouTube, Sis Oma72. Please support the channel. Love you guys. Nailento. I love you.
Now, let us start with Summer Walker. So, Summer Walker was set to perform at Rocking the Daisies and I think in Pretoria also. The concert at Rocking the Daisies went well, people loved it, people enjoyed. And when she was supposed to perform in Pretoria, she only performed half of her set. You know why? Guys, it wasn't even her fault. It wasn't even her fault. The event organizers did not pay for the protection of you guys. you know, and you know how strict the JOC is. They don't play. Like, and the police will shut you down. Whether you are Summer Walker, Michael Jackson, or Nelly M, they will shut you down if your papers are not in order. So it was not Summer Walker's fault, but she really did try to make it up to you guys.
South Africa, I am so, so, so sorry. I literally don't understand what happened. I got kicked off the stage. This whole thing was really unprofessional. They changed my time 3 times. And when I got on stage, I'm thinking I'm about to do my full set. They're yelling in my ear to cut my whole entire set halfway. I didn't even get to get down and get out in the crowd like I usually do because they're telling me to hurry up. So we wrap it up. That wasn't my intention. I was prepared to do my full hour. The police, the fire marshal, the promoter, they were like, we're going to get fined if you don't hurry up and get off. I get off the stage and they could have just paid the fine. They know that you guys spent your hard-earned money, your time, y'all drove hella far. I seen somebody said they sold their house to come here. By the way, the girl who had that sign about selling a house, come to the club. You come up with me tonight. We shaking ass. But yeah, I was on time. I was dressed. I was ready. They kicked your girl off, and I really can't do anything about that. But I just don't want y'all to think that it was on me. They could have paid the fine. They could have respected y'all time, my time, and they didn't give a damn. And now it looks like people are upset with me when I literally didn't do anything. And this is my favorite place in the world. I like y'all a lot. I really like y'all. Don't do me like that. Don't do me like that. But I'm going to come back and hopefully next time they let me do my whole show. But, you know, if y'all want to come to the club tonight and see me, I'm going to take pictures and smile and hug and everything else. I'm sorry, guys.
Ngithi sana being at the parking lot at 12 midnight so that she can take pictures with you and hang out with you because she did not give you the full, honestly, I'm trying to stay focused, you know? But I love that. A lot of artists come to South Africa and they just want to stay here and hang out here because why? We are the great top sea of the world. Like, South Africa is really like, we are going to answer a lot of questions as a country when we get upstairs. Kiss, Mafra, kiss. Now, Shamiso, my sister, I knew Huri. It's not that you are not noticing that the Tabete sisters are firing shots at you. It's not that you're not noticing. Because tell me why. She was at Rocking the Daisies, right? And then she was hanging out with Juicy J. And then they were like, what is your favorite Cardi B song? And she referenced very specific Cardi B lyrics that said, and if I take your man, don't come at me because I didn't cry when you took mine.
If I took your nigga, I don't wanna hear no crying. Cause I ain't say shit with bitches without your fucking mind.
Nyanguzwa kolite, nyanguz, ho, 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 ha, ha. Basically saying, Hori, when other people were shepherding Stina, doing the PPC cement on her relationship, she didn't fetch anyone. She didn't fetch anyone. She kept it moving. But now that she is with Afi, you're killing him, son. Things are happening. Confrontations are happening behind her back. No one is coming to her face. It's just keyboard warriors. But she's not, she says, don't cry. Don't cry for me, Argentina. Yeah. It's not your time. It's your turn. And it's only Monday. In this Monday that I'm talking to you about, Bohle Samuels went to the police. She went to Abagas Dlodlo. You know what she did? Protection order. Protection order against Asabella Vui. Yes, Asabella's ex-husband, Uvui. She took a protection order against him. Ati Uvui does WWE SmackDown on me. This man thinks he is Chuck Norris. He thinks he is Steven Seagal on me. This man is emotionally abusing me. He's doing the tempo from Married at First Sight on me. He's doing the makoto on me. And this man is financially, yeah, he behaves like Capitec during month end, offline. He's financially abusing me. One day, guys, we are going to wake up and Capitec is going to be a fly-by-night police academy that does not even have degrees, just higher certificates, no accreditation. Capitec, one day when we wake up, or it's going to be a funeral parlor. Capitec. So, this man was financially abusing me, you know? And Asabella, I see you. I see you taking shots. I see those subliminals. She's like, who is speaking? After the whole protection order went down, why is Asabella appearing on everyone's timeline now? Why is Asabella now talking? Asabella is like, who is talking? She must speak fast so I can. No, I'm playing. No, she said she must speak fast so that I can just, before December. December is around the corner. I said, Asabella, uyavela. Sana. This is all. By the way, half of all of these stories, except Samawok, half of all of these stories, Kalibakala Vors. Chili iyababa 605 mahlati uyahlabeha kalibito laka ungitswaraso linaki mutswaraso ebo ungsunaso linaki musunaso all of this, people are needing oxygen tanks, asthma pumps, inhalers because of us. Just know. Yeah, guys. So hobbies. And then I see you. I see you. I see you. I just think maybe we need a separate video to delve deeper. It's just that, guys, I need to go to work. I need to go to work. Ne? And they're going to start making noise. So let me not keep you. I just needed to come on camera and cry. And if you guys see him set up the camera, shut up. Shut up. I'm a mother. I'm a mom. I'm a mamacita. Oh, because I'm sick million your funny cake. Black forest, then I'm going black forest. Often about ooh. And as Guti, how does he have champagne taste on a beer budget? Because he was born when I was a teenager. So you can't have expensive taste when your mother was eating a mascopas when you were in her stomach during break time. Mina bengithi kodwa means, you know, you want, shut up.